Welcome to English 24. In today's lesson, we are going to answer this question. What is stress? And yes, that's an important question for those who are trying to improve their English pronunciation and accent. Because when it comes to pronunciation and accent, stress is the most important thing, or I must say it's the fundamental thing. Stress is a relative prominence or emphasis given to a syllable in a word or a word in a sentence. And how do you stress a syllable? You elongate that, you make it a bit longer as well as a tad bit louder. Now, I'll try to make you understand this in a better way with a couple of examples. In the word data, there are two syllables, day and t. And in this word, the stressed syllable is the first syllable, day, data, data. Let's look at another example. In the word cassette, there are two syllables, k and then set. But the stress falls on the second syllable, not on the first syllable. So you pronounce it like set, set. So basically you stretch se, or it's a tad bit louder than the other syllable, the first syllable. Cassette, cassette, cassette. So data, stress falls on the first syllable, and cassette, stress falls on the second syllable. So these are examples of stress in a word. Let's see if you're able to find out the stressed syllable in these words. Kangaroo, kangaroo, which is a stressed syllable. Roo, yes, the last syllable, kangaroo. And similarly, devotee. Which one is the stressed one? Of course, the last one, T, devotee. One more, energy. Is it the first one or the second one? If you say energy, of course it's the second one, but it's not correct. It's energy, energy. So stress falls on the first syllable, energy. When it comes to a sentence, there may be one or more stressed words. For example, when you say, I told her, the stressed word in this sentence is told. I told her to meet him. I told her to meet him. So in that sentence, there are two stressed words. I told is one stressed one, and the second one is meet. I told her to meet him. And other words are not stressed. That's the end of today's lesson, and this is an important thing, as I said earlier, because English is a stress-timed language, and stress is very, very important when it comes to getting a very good English accent. We should know what to be stressed and what not to be stressed. And if you haven't watched my lesson on stress-timed language, please watch it here. There's a link. Click on that link and to watch the video on stress-timed language. And before we go, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and press that bell icon as well, so that you will be notified every time we upload our videos. And if you think that it's going to be useful for someone else, please do share with them as well. With that, it's bye-bye from Libby and English 24.